Welcome to part 2 of the videos covering the topic how to construct an isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. In the previous video, which is part 1, we started the construction of the triangle, and in today's video we'll be finishing the drawing. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. Radius 105, enter. Where the arcs intersect, we're going to draw a line. And this is a bisector, so we have bisected the line. AE. All right. Now in technical drawing, we normally extend this line beyond the arcs, okay? Good. All right. Where this bisector intersect the line AB, this is the length of the side. So we're going to label right here, single line text. I'm going to label right here. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to click right here. This point would be, the height will be 4, rotation angle 0. This would be F. So the distance FB, that is the base, half of the base. So what you're going to do now, we're going to draw a line from, I'm going to turn on object snap, from E to F. Enter. All right, what we need to do then, we need to draw a line over here, right? So we're going to go line, construction line. Going to turn on ortho. And then we're going to click here. I'm going to come here. It's a construction line, enter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mark because BF is half the base, so I'm going to take my compass. So center at B, radius F. I'm going to mark an arc and this would be G. So I'm going to label single line text. Height is 4, rotation angle. This is G. All right. So I can actually go to my outline layer and then I can draw this side from E. I'm going to turn off ortho to G to F to E. Enter. And this is the isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. So what we're going to do now, we're going to label the drawing. All right, so I'm going to shift the drawing up so that we have more space. All right, and we're going to go text, going to go multi-line text, so I'm going to label it right here. All right, the height is 4, so we're happy with that. So we're going to label to construct an isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. All right, so the perimeter for today is all right. Let us move this down. It is too close. Enter. It. All right. All right. Let us measure AB to be sure. All right. So we're gonna go. Need to turn on object snap. All right, I'm gonna move the label down. I'm gonna turn off objects now. All right, we're gonna put this on the 0 layer. Okay, good. All right, so the perimeter then was is 240 millimeters. And the altitude, we're gonna measure the altitude, which is this height. Object means turn on object snap. So from here to there, that's 80. We need to put this on the 0 layers. All right. And the and the altitude is 80 millimeter. All right, so what we can do next, we can break this arc. It's too long, right? So go modify, break. So we click on this arc and then we click here, press enter. We click on this now, we can delete it, right? So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. In the next video, we will be looking at the construction of a spanner, and the topics that you'll be using to draw the spanner would be the construction of polygons, specifically the hexagon, and the topic blending of lines and curves. The spanner is the same spanner that a mechanic would use to tighten or pull a nut. We thank you for joining us and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.